know. Quicksand? Oh, here comes the big one. Ready? Oh my gosh, it's racing! Comes another one. What, walking while the water's going in front of us?
We're just walking in the water in general.
That one's huge!
Let's see here. Let it wash away our heart. See? Hey, sorry, it's tripping me out. I don't know why it's tripping me out like that. Apparently, I love the ocean. I do. It's just cold. Dude, no.
Oh, here it comes. Here it comes.
Prepare myself.
Why are you grabbing onto me? That was nothing.
This doesn't even feel cold anymore.
No. Seagull feather. Dude. That one's huge.
Do not splash me.
Ha!
It's disappearing around my feet. That looks creepy.
What the heck?
Beautiful, gorgeous,
I'm
stunning.
gonna snip it all.
You can't see your face. I can't see your face, so I might be taken out. I don't know. It's so pretty. Just gorgeous. We're vacationing.
Vacationing, that's what it's called? Oh dear! Oh dear!
I have shoes in my hands. Girl, I'm trying to record. You're not.
Oh my gosh, cold.
Half a shell.
Ready?
I don't know if we're gonna win.
Wait, no, I have sand on my fingers! Curling! The waves are curling!
See waveform in real time.
Ah! Oh my gosh! I'm not gonna be able to wear this anymore.
Try it off.
No, for the rest of the day.
Oh! Oh! That looks scary. It got me.
Mine? I'm not.
It's definitely something sharp. No longer.
There's wood up here.
It's fair.
Oh wait, that's bad.